Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to walk you through creating a complete Wix website in under 10 minutes. Yep, you heard that right. If you've been wanting to make a site for your business, portfolio, or maybe a cool new project idea but felt a little overwhelmed by all the options out there, stick with me. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to launch a fully functional website using Wix's powerful templates. You'll have something beautiful, professional, and totally tailored to you without spending hours lost in design decisions or fiddling with code. All right, let's jump right in. Now, the secret behind this speedy setup is leveraging Wix's ready-made templates. Templates are honestly a lifesaver. Instead of starting with a blank page and wondering, where do I even begin? Templates give you a professional structure right off the bat. It's like having a helpful starting point for your creativity, the same way a chef might use a great recipe for inspiration and then tweak it with their own flavors. Once you're on your Wix dashboard, the very first thing you want to do is click on Create New Site. This is the gateway to making your idea real. No need to stress if you're not super tech savvy. Wix guides you through each step. After hitting Create New Site, you'll be prompted to choose how you want to build. For this tutorial, we're sticking with the Studio Template option, which is a smart pick for anyone looking for both efficiency and design flexibility. Next comes the fun part, choosing a template. Wix has literally hundreds of professionally designed templates, all categorized by industry and purpose. So whether you want to build a blog, a portfolio, an online store, or an AI tech showcase, there's something for you. For today, let's imagine you want to create a slick AI tech website. Browse through the AI or technology section and pick a template that really stands out to you, a layout that feels modern and suits the vibe you're going for. Once you've selected your template, Wix will set it up for you in just a few seconds. Now, you'll find yourself inside the Wix editor. This is where you get to make the website truly your own. Start by changing the headings to reflect your site's name, main message, or anything that lets visitors know what your site is about. If you want, swap out the default images for ones that showcase your projects or brand. This makes your website feel personal and relevant. Edit the text section so they tell your story, describe your services, or welcome your audience. Don't rush this part. Take your time and play around with the customization tools. You'll notice it's all drag and drop, super intuitive, and you really can tweak just about anything, from colors to fonts to button styles. If you're feeling bold, explore some of the design options to customize the look even further. Wix makes it easy to experiment without breaking anything. And remember, don't worry if it doesn't look perfect at first. Think of your first version as a draft. You can always come back and refine things as your vision grows. Once you're happy with how everything looks, it's time for the most satisfying step. Hit that Publish button. This sends your website live, making it visible to the world. Want to see how it looks in real time? Just click Go to Live Site. Wix will whisk you straight to your brand new website, ready for visitors. And that's it. You've just built an awesome Wix website in record time. Not too bad, right? If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want more tips for customizing your site. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another easy tutorial that helps you level up your digital game. Thanks for watching and happy website building.